Railroaders need these 6 essential documents to get their house in order. Welcome everyone to the Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name's John McNamara of Highball Advisors. And today we're going to talk a big topic, 6 essential documents that railroaders need for their estate, right? So, you know, you're working your whole life, you're building up all these assets, right? And you just want to make sure everything goes to plan, right? I'm a big let's mitigate risk guy, right? I don't want things that are going to blow up my plan, right? You're building the plan together. We're trying to eliminate things that are just going to mess things up. It's going to affect generations to come, and you just want to get these things in order. So I've come up with a list of 6 essential documents, and let's just go through them and see what you guys have, what you don't have, what you might need, or maybe what you don't need. But I feel like everyone needs to at least look at these 6 essential and say, you know what, I probably need that. All right, so we'll start up at the top. Last will and testament. You know, you always hear that, I'll get a will, get a will. Get a will, right? Because especially if you have children, that will determine guardianships, those type of things. You know, get that done. Assets, right? Maybe you have a house, car. Where are things going to go? Very important on assets. And then also, if you don't have it in a will, it goes to probate, right? It doesn't mean that the assets won't pass, but everything becomes public then, right? And then you have creditor issues and all that. So everything you want up with the will and testament, get that done. That's like the first main thing, right? Next, the beneficiary designations on all your accounts, right? Your 401ks, your IRAs, right? Very important. Check the primary beneficiaries and the contingent ones. You know, maybe you were divorced, might have your first spouse still on the as the primary beneficiary. That doesn't work out really well, right? Or, you know, maybe you have split families. So just check those beneficiaries, primary and contingent, very important, right? And then also, those beneficiaries can trump what is on in the will, right? So, you know, your 401k beneficiaries are going to trump what is in the will. All right, so beneficiary designations, very, very important. Here's another one that, you know, a lot of people don't think about. It's the power of attorney, right? You can do like a springing power of attorney, but like when you become incapacitated, who's going to make those financial decisions, right? Document those things, right? You never know. You just get it done. You appoint someone you trust. You know, it could be the spouse or you know, an older child who's an adult now. So, you know, as everybody gets older, that's reality. You got to, you know, maybe your children can help you out. So appoint somebody sooner rather than later, because nobody's going to do it when you're later, right? Later's too late, if that makes sense, right? Sooner the better. So power of attorney, all right? And then continue on that, right? The healthcare power of attorney and living will, right? So those decisions that come up as you get ill, right? Those healthcare decisions, you know, once again, you're incapacitated. Who's going to make those healthcare decisions? That's what the healthcare power of attorney is going to do. It's going to help you out, right? And then the living will, right? So maybe you're already making the decisions before even your power of attorney does, right? What do you want to do in case X happens, right? Unfortunately, it happens. It's all written down. So that thing's covered. All right, let's keep moving along here, right? Just the letter of intent. There's no legal basis for this, right? No attorney need, right? At the end, right, how you want everything to wind up, right? Things that aren't legally binding, like memorials and arrangements and things like that, funerals, those type of things, right? Just put in a letter of intent, right? This is what I want to happen, right? We're just cleaning up everything, right? And then finally, the list of documents, okay, right? All your important statements, your passwords, your railroad retirement board information, right? Because you're going to have a survivor annuity, right? So let someone know where all that stuff is, right? So you collected all that, but great, it's, you know, it's hidden somewhere. It's behind a block password wall on your computer or something. Nobody gets to it, right? So your list of documents, tell somebody important to you how they can get all that information. All right, so these are the 6 things. This is a great building base for you to get started on just putting together your estate plan, right? Things that you can get done. Do you have to get everything done next week? No, but put it on a list, start checking it off. Very, very important. Don't want any drama, so just get it done. All right, so reach out to me if you have any questions about this topic, right? It's a must-have topic, right? Things to get done. Please subscribe to my channel, my YouTube channel. It's growing. It's fantastic. And give me a thumbs up on the notification so you can get those in your inbox when I put out new videos. Usually every Thursday I put them out. Reach out to me for a free railroad retirement assessment if you have, see where you stand as far as retirement coming up for you. In the meantime, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody.